Hey, what's up my people? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm taking you along Enugu Port Harcourt Express route here in the city of Aba. And I'm not here alone, I'm here with one of Aba's content creators, Chris JJ.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are taking you guys along Enugu Port Harcourt Express road. The new 4-lane in Aba State Nigeria. Let's go guys.
Wow, so Aba really has a 4-lane.
Yes.
Man, this is a huge improvement to this city. Just take a look at how they run it. This is just 4 good lanes. The only 4 lane you can find in the city of Aba, Abia State, Nigeria. Let's keep going while we take you around. And here, I think there is a lot of construction happening in the city of Aba. And guys, only when you stick to on this channel, if you love what you just watched, if you love the content you watch on this channel, please consider subscribing to Chris JJ, and also watch this video, like and leave a comment on what you think so far on the improvement happening in the city of Aba, Abia State. Let's keep going. We'll take you on a long walk to the Sisioma flyover. Okay guys, I'm going to be very honest with you. Like, ever since I've been staying in this city, a lot of things have really changed. Compared to 6, 7, 10, 15 years ago, this city was one of the most dirtiest city you can find in southeast Nigeria, if not in the whole of Nigeria. But a lot of things has really changed since I left over the office, and that is just a good remark. Yes, that is actually a good remark, because this man is just the change that we are looking for the past years of suffering. And just see, this video here happened in his 1 year in the office. I believe by the time he's done, this city will be competing with Lagos and Abuja and Ebonyi State to be the most cleanest city in Nigeria. The level of cleanliness in Aba is giving a high volume. Like, this is one city that no one expected to be clean. Aba people are actually being known as dirty people, which means they throw away dirt, they throw away cans, garbage anywhere. But it is no longer as it is before. Here, almost every junction, this waste can is actually being dropped in, so that after making use of your whatever, just come here, put it inside the waste bin, and very early in the morning the ASPA will just come and pack everything, leaving not even a piece of paper on the floor. So here, I think we've arrived at Umodima Junction. This place is actually called Umodima Junction. Here, if you take this road straight, you come out at Lesward Hotel, one of the 5-star hotels you can find in the city of Aba. So that road over here is called Umodima Junction. You can see how clean and calm the city of Aba is today. So it's just a different feeling here when you come down in the city of Aba. I mean, you can see basically high number of story buildings in this city. Investors are rushing in to make their investments. What are you waiting for? Come and establish a business here. This city is known to be the most hardworking city in Nigeria. No doubt. Here also is called the Lucas Hotel. You've been in Aba for a long time, I think. You should know this hotel by now. This is one of the most rated hotels you can find along the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway. This is the popular flyover, the only standard flyover you can find in the city of Aba, Abia State. And the last time I made a video here, I showed you some errors that I saw along this flyover. I don't know if actually it has been corrected. Let's see. Let's not forget that this flyover was built with 8 good years. I think that's a big delay, but it was actually being delivered. Yeah. I think this flyover is actually getting back to default settings. There's a lot of damages on top of this flyover. Isn't it the standard flyover that we all expected it to be? Why has the flyover suddenly become so weak just 2 years after it's been completed? It's time that people in charge of this project should come and do some fix-up here before this flyover puts the life of people in danger. There's a lot of cracks on the road, and I think I'm actually seeing the kind of damage on the road. Yeah, I think this is the place that I actually commented on my video. I showed you that there's a quite electric problem here. I think it's developing very well. You can see it here very closely. And nothing is being done here. I think it's going to be a very